Hey, welcome back to Beard's Quid. In this video, we're going to learn all about trigonometry. Coming up. Trigonometry is the study of the relationship between lengths and angles of a triangle. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word trigonometria, meaning triangle measuring. This subject was first studied in ancient Egypt and Babylon in the 2nd millennium BC. The Egyptians used trigonometry in the construction of the pyramids. We use trigonometry alongside algebra, arithmetic, and geometry to find unknown lengths and angles of triangles. In this video series, we will consider only trigonometry of right-angled triangles. So before we can start performing right-angled triangle trigonometry, we need to label the sides of a triangle in a systematic way. So if we draw a right-angled triangle like the one shown here, the hypotenuse, or for short, the hype, is the longest side of the right-angled triangle and is opposite the right angle. So here's my right angle, opposite my right angle is my hypotenuse. For a given angle theta, the opposite side is the side opposite the angle theta. So if this is my angle theta, then the side opposite would obviously be my opposite side. And the remaining side is next to the angle theta, so this will be called the adjacent side. So this is the side next to the angle theta, so we call that the adjacent. Make sure you take your time to identify where the angle theta is. It may be on the opposite side, in which case we will have to change over the opposite and the adjacent. So now, opposite my theta would be my opposite, and next to this angle theta would be my adjacent. So always take your time to identify where theta is, and then you can label your diagram accordingly. Now for the following triangle given, name A, the hypotenuse, B, the side opposite theta, and C, the side adjacent to theta. So just pause the video here and try this for yourself. This is my angle theta. I want you to identify A, B, and C. Okay, so the side opposite the right angle is obviously my hypotenuse. That's the longest side of the triangle. Since theta is here, then the side opposite theta would be my opposite, and the side next to theta is my adjacent. So hopefully that's how you labeled your diagram. What we're going to move on to next is the trigonometric ratios. So, having agreed on a consistent way to label the right angle triangle, we can define three basic trigonometric ratios. These are the ratios of the side lengths of the triangle. So consider a right angle triangle with one angle theta, like the one shown here. The sine of angle theta would be sine theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. The cosine of angle theta would be cosine theta is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse, and the tangent of angle theta is tan theta is equal to the opposite over adjacent. So these are the three side ratios for this triangle. So a very easy way to remember this is just to remember the acronym Soh Cah Toa. Sine theta is equal to the opposite over the hype, cosine theta is equal to the adjacent over the hype, and tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So make a note of these three ratios, because in our next video we're going to be solving these problems using the trigonometric ratios. As always, thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, drop me a like, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe for more math videos, and I'll see you in the next one.